Yunnan province, known for its rich history, fertile lands, and intricate river systems, is now struggling under the weight of a massive flood disaster. Once celebrated for its natural beauty and vibrant culture, the region is now facing widespread devastation. Torrential rains have overwhelmed the province's rivers, saturated the soil, and submerged towns, villages, and farmlands in a relentless surge of muddy water. The province's vast network of rivers, including the Shang River, Yuan River, and Zi River, has overflowed, spilling into low-lying areas and transforming landscapes in a matter of hours. In cities like Changsha, Zhuzhou, and Yiyang, entire neighborhoods are underwater. Roads and bridges have vanished beneath the current, and transportation has come to a standstill. The rhythm of daily life has been replaced by the constant hum of rescue helicopters, alarms, and the sound of rushing water. Urban centers are among the hardest hit. Streets once filled with cars and people are now silent waterways. Subways are flooded, power outages are common, and communication towers have been damaged.
हम अल्लाह को अक़ली तौर पे जानते हैं, अक़ली तौर पे जानते हैं। हम अल्लाह को दिल की धड़कनों से नहीं जानते। जज्बात की दुनिया वीरान है। आशिक़ों में इश्क कमावें, दिल रखें वांग पहाड़ा हो। सह सह बदियाँ हज़ार उलामें, कर जाने बाग बहारां हो। मंसूर जय चुक सूली दिते, जड़े वाकिफ़ कुल इसरारां हो। सजदे सिर चई नबाहू, तुड़े काफिर कहन हज़ारां